In this video, I'll show you how you can leave a review on Steam. Now, first of all, guys, you need to select the game that you want to leave a review on. Now, keep in mind, you need to own the game, otherwise you cannot do it, and only some games can actually be reviewed. Now, once you've selected a game, I'm just gonna choose Counter-Strike 2. What you can do is you can click on it, and from in here, you'll see activity. Now, you can leave a review here that's only for your friends and all your friends can see it. But if you want to leave a public review for everyone, what you're going to do is press on the store page. Once it's done loading, you're going to come in here and you will be able to see this big box right here. You're going to type in what you want and you can choose here if you want it to be public, friends only. You can choose the language and you can also, if you recommend it or not. Then simply press post review, and that's about it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, guys, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.